Hello, today we're diving into one of the most frequently debated topics in Volkswagen ownership, engine reliability. While some VW models, such as the 2009 Volkswagen Passat or Magotan, have gained a reputation for oil pump issues and mechanical faults, others have proven to be incredibly dependable, especially when properly maintained. So with that said, let's jump into our list of the most reliable Volkswagen engines ever made. 9. The 1.6-liter naturally aspirated single overhead camshaft petrol engine. This simple yet effective engine has earned a reputation for being one of the most reliable Volkswagen power plants. It features a single overhead camshaft and is naturally aspirated, making it a low-maintenance choice for budget-conscious owners. With a modest output of 105 horsepower, it's not a speed demon, but it gets the job done. This engine can be found in numerous VW, Audi, Skoda, and Seat models. It offers fuel consumption of around 8 liters per 100 kilometers, approximately 29 miles per gallon, and is known for its easy repairs and long-term durability. Key engine codes include ADP, AHL, ARM, ANA, and ALZ. Though it lacks excitement, its dependability and simplicity make it a fan favorite. 8. The 2.5-liter inline-five engine. Originally introduced between 1991 and 1995 for the Volkswagen Eurovan and Transporter, this engine made a return in 2005 and remained in production until 2014. It came in 3 versions producing 109, 110, and 111 horsepower, 148, and 168 horsepower. These engines were fitted to several VW models, including the Mark V Rabbit, Golf, Jetta, New Beetle, Mark VI Golf, and Passat. The 5-cylinder layout is unconventional but offers excellent torque characteristics due to its favorable bore-to-stroke ratio. Though not the most fuel efficient, it's widely regarded as one of the most bulletproof engines Volkswagen ever made. It's known for long service intervals, strong internals, and the ability to handle high mileage with minimal issues. 7. The SDI, suction diesel injection engine. Volkswagen's SDI engines are naturally aspirated, direct injection diesel units built for simplicity and longevity, used in a wide range of applications, including cars, vans, industrial, and marine engines. The SDI series earned a reputation for fuel efficiency and reliability above all else. Displacements range from 1.7 liters to 2.5 liters in either inline-4 or inline-5 configurations. Although their output was lower compared to turbocharged engines, for example, the 2.0 SDI engine in the Mk5 Golf produced just 75 horsepower compared to 140 to 170 HP in its TDI counterpart. These engines were built for durability, not performance. Their ability to run on lower quality fuel and biodiesel blends made them a global favorite in markets with less stringent fuel standards. 6. The 1.8-liter TSIEA 888 engine code. Originally designed by Audi, the 1.8-liter TSI engine has become one of the most talked about and respected engines in Volkswagen's lineup. Known for its excellent balance of power, efficiency, and longevity, it's often compared to the legendary LSV8 engine in terms of tuning potential and durability. With proper care, this engine can easily last over 200,000 miles. The EA888 second-generation variant, however, is known for its tendency to consume oil, a known issue that should be monitored. Built around a gray cast-iron block and crankcase, the engine benefits from strong construction and good acoustic dampening. Enthusiasts love its potential for tuning, and it remains a popular choice across forums and performance builds. 5. The 1.9-liter ALH TDI diesel engine. Topping our list is the legendary 1.9-liter ALH TDI engine, produced from 1998 to 2006. Often hailed as the best diesel engine Volkswagen has ever produced, the ALH was known for its unmatched combination of reliability, simplicity, and fuel economy. It powered vehicles such as the VW Jetta, Golf, Bora, and Skoda Octavia. Featuring an inline-4 layout, single overhead camshaft, 8 valves, and a timing belt-driven design, this engine was both modern and straightforward. It employed 2-stage mechanical injectors along with a reliable VP37 rotary electronic injection pump. The ALH engine was capable of achieving over 500,000 kilometers, 310,000 miles, with regular maintenance. Even after it was replaced by the more complicated pump deuce, PD, and common rail systems, the ALH remained the gold standard for TDI reliability. Unlike its successors, which were involved in emission scandals and were more complex to maintain, the ALH was beloved for being rugged, efficient, and easy to work on. Its versatility is legendary. You could even mount this engine in off-road builds or custom diesel swaps. From economy cars to experimental projects, the ALH continues to serve as a benchmark in diesel engine design. For the VR6 engine, Volkswagen's VR6 engine deserves an honorable mention. Launched in the early 1990s, the VR6 blended the benefits of both V6 and inline-six engines in a compact format. It delivered a unique growl, smooth power delivery, and impressive durability. Known for its robustness, this engine powered models like the Corrado, Golf R32, and Passat. With regular oil changes and maintenance, these engines frequently exceed 250,000 miles. 3. The 2.0-liter TDICR engine series. Introduced in the late 2000s, the 2.0-liter common rail TDI engines addressed many of the reliability concerns of earlier PD units. Known for their quieter operation, improved fuel economy, and longevity, these engines quickly became a favorite among diesel enthusiasts. Found in newer Golfs, Passats, and Jettas, the CR TDI is capable of lasting well beyond 300,000 kilometers with proper care and timely timing belt replacements. 2. The 1.4-liter TSI EA211 engine series. Don't let the small displacement fool you. The 1.4-liter TSI-EA211 engine is a lightweight, efficient, and surprisingly reliable turbocharged petrol engine. Featuring direct injection, variable valve timing, and a turbocharger, with some versions even including a supercharger. This engine balances fuel economy with peppy performance. With careful maintenance and use of high-quality oil, these engines can clock high mileage and remain smooth, making them a staple in models like the Golf, Polo, and Audi A1. 1. The 2.0-liter MPI multi-point injection engine. Another reliable gem in Volkswagen's history is the 2.0-liter MPI engine, commonly found in older Jetta, Golf, and Passat models from the early 2000s. This engine uses a multi-point fuel injection system and a simple, naturally aspirated design that reduces the chance of failure. Producing between 115 to 120 horsepower, it delivers adequate performance while offering exceptional longevity. The 2.0-liter MPI engine is known for being low maintenance, easy to work on, and highly resistant to overheating. Its robust cast iron block and straightforward design have helped many of these engines exceed 300,000 kilometers with just basic care. Though it lacks the flair of turbocharged units, its old-school simplicity makes it one of VW's most dependable workhorses. Conclusion. While Volkswagen has had its share of less than reliable engines, the brand has also produced some absolute legends. Whether you're looking for a naturally aspirated petrol engine, a torquey 5-cylinder, or a bulletproof diesel, there's a VW power plant out there that stands the test of time. Let us know in the comments. Have you driven one of these engines, or do you have your own favorite VW workhorse? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to C Garage for more insights into the automotive world.